Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Prius rear windshield wiper. First, make sure you have your new wiper blade ready, along with a small flathead screwdriver. It's important to ensure your Prius is parked securely and turned off before you begin. Now, head to the back of your car and locate the rear wiper arm on the back window. This simple preparation will make the replacement process smooth and easy for you. Now that the arm is ready, gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the glass until it clicks and locks into an upright position. This gives you clear access to the blade. Next, look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll see a small tab. Press this tab firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should come off with minimal effort. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. To ensure everything is working correctly, turn on your Prius and activate the rear wiper. Watch it closely to confirm it sweeps smoothly and clears the window effectively. Remember to regularly inspect your wiper blades for any signs of cracking or streaking, replacing them every 6 to 12 months for optimal visibility. Also, for some great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.